Question 33. Find the margin of error for the 95% confidence level used to estimate the population proportion. In a survey of 7,100 viewers, 40% said they watched network news programs. Okay, so first of all, I need to figure out which margin of error formula I need to use. So I have this one or this one. Now, based on the information they gave me 40% of viewers watched the network news. So we're going to take that out of a percentage, and that will basically be a proportion. So that would be p hat. And once we find p hat, then we can find q hat. Okay, so that means that we're going to be using this first margin of error formula here. Now, to get our z-score, what we need to do is we need to use the fact that they want us to use a 95% confidence level and get our z-score from that. Okay, so with a 95% confidence level, that means that our z-score is going to be 1.96. Okay, so we have a z-score of 1.96. P hat is 40%, so we're going to take that and make that a decimal, so 0.40. Q hat is 1 minus p hat, so 1 minus 0.40, which is 0.60. And they gave us an N value of 7,100. Okay, so I'm going to plug all that in. So 1.96 times square root of 0.40 times 0.60 divided by 7,100. Okay, so when I plug all that in, I should get a margin of error of 0.011. That's it.